Alright everyone, today we're taking a look at my YoungRC Mini Ran ‘4, a quad that basically started as a pile of spare parts and somehow turned into a fog-cutting monster. This build wasn't planned, it wasn't budgeted, it wasn't even supposed to happen. I just looked at my workbench one day and thought, I think I can make a whole quad out of this mess. And somehow, I did. Let's start with the guts. I'm running a HackRC 25 amp ESC. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done without complaining. On top of that, I dropped in a new B-Drone Infinite 200 flight controller. This thing was on sale for under 30 bucks, which is wild considering how clean it flies. Honestly, the FC was the only part I actually had to order for this build. For motors, I'm using Speedy B 2006 1950 kV. Smooth, torquey, and perfect for pushing through fog like a tiny angry helicopter. I did have to buy one replacement motor because, well, gravity won that round. But hey, 3 survivors out of 4 isn't bad. For the radio link, I slapped in a Radiomaster DBR4 receiver. Simple, reliable, and it doesn't freak out when I fly behind a tree. That's all I really ask from a receiver. Now here's the fun part. I adapted a Beta FPV-04 Air Unit Pro camera mount and turned it into a quick attach setup. It wasn't supposed to fit, but with a little creativity and a lot of stubbornness, it works beautifully. Sometimes the best mods are the ones you force into existence. This whole quad is basically a Frankenstein build. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a whole lot of I wonder if this will work. And honestly, that's what makes FPV fun. You don't need a $1,000 parts list. Sometimes you just need a box of leftovers and a good idea. In the end, the Mini Ran ‘4 came out lighter than I expected, stronger than I expected, and way more fun than I expected. It slices through fog like it's late for work. It handles rain-soaked air like a champ. And it proves that a budget build can still fly like a beast. So that's the story of my YoungRC Mini Ran ‘4, built from spare parts, a sale-priced flight controller, and one brand new motor that I definitely didn't plan on buying. Stick around because next we're taking this thing straight into the mist.
In the quiet of the woods I find my worth, a silent promise from the patient earth. A silent promise from the patient earth. I trade the pavement for a trail of green, the quietest comfort I've ever seen. The river doesn't ask me to explain, it just reflects the sun after the rain.
Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this build and you're wondering what I might come up with next, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. There will be more flights that are sometimes crazy, occasionally questionable, and maybe even a little insane. Guaranteed crashes, near misses, and plenty of laughs along the way. This has been another Prop Justice flight, brought to you by Just a Man and his cameras. Pastor Bill, signing off.
And here I'm not a stranger in the crowd. My shadow falls on moss and silver cloud, and this solitude's a hand for me to hold, a story that was never to be sold. And the rain begins to fall, and I feel known, and the ocean is an anchor for my bones. In the quiet of the woods I find my worth, a silent promise from the patient earth.